Question 11, mixed questions. Number 1, fill in the missing times. In this column, we have our 12-hour time. Remember, in 12-hour time, we only have 12 hours, and we use AM for our morning times, or the first half of the day, and PM to show our afternoon or evening times, or the second half of the day. In this column, we have 24-hour time, where we have 24 hours. Therefore, we do not need to use AM or PM. Rather, after 12 o'clock, we keep on counting onwards to 13, 14, 15, etc. hours of the day. So for A, we have 5 a.m. This is in the morning, so only 5 hours of the day have passed. So in 24-hour time, it stays exactly the same. We just write it slightly differently, 05:00. Then, for the next one, we are given the 24-hour time. This tells us that 13 hours of the day have passed. Because it is greater than 12, we know that this is in the afternoon. So, to get it to 12-hour time, we say 13 minus 12 hours is 1. And because it's in the afternoon, it means it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Lastly, G. Remember, this is 12 a.m., which is midnight. This is an exception to the rule where we know that midnight is the beginning of the day, so the clock resets to 00:00. This also sometimes can be written as 24, because the end of the day when 24 hours have passed and the beginning of the new day are exactly at the same time. But generally, the clock resets to this one. Use what you have learned and press pause to complete all of 1 by yourself now. Number 2, let's continue. Again, we must fill in the missing times. For A, our 12-hour time is 5:30 a.m. It's a.m., which means it's in the morning, so only 5 hours have passed in the day. So it's 05:30. Directly beneath it, we are given our 24-hour time. It's 45 minutes past the 15th hour of the day. This 15 tells us that this is past midday. So to get it back to 12-hour time, we minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3 in the afternoon, so it's 3:45, and we need to write PM. Lastly, let's look at G. 12:45 in our 24-hour time. This means that 12 hours of the day have passed, so it's almost in the middle of the day. So this tells us that it is noon. So this is an exception again. It's 12:45 p.m. It is just past noon, and it is therefore PM for afternoon. It's your turn to complete all of 2 by yourself now.